Have you ever wondered what makes a relationship successful and fulfilling? In the journey of life, relationships play a crucial role, and understanding their dynamics can be enlightening for everyone, including those who guide others in their relationships. In this video, we'll explore 12 key aspects that contribute to a successful and rewarding relationship, from open and honest communication to celebrating each other's successes. So, buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the intricacies of human connections. Stay tuned as we delve into these essential ingredients that make a relationship thrive. Scene script. Commencing with the first point, open and honest communication. Let's talk about the significance of expressing feelings, expectations, and concerns openly. It's like opening a window to your heart, allowing your partner to see what's inside. It's about being vulnerable and truthful, sharing not just the good, but also the fears, doubts, and uncertainties. It's about creating a safe space where both partners feel heard and understood. But open communication is a two-way street. It's not just about speaking, it's also about listening. Listening with empathy, without judgment. When your partner speaks, it's a chance for you to step into their shoes, to understand their perspective. It's about giving them the space to express themselves without interrupting, without trying to fix things immediately. This kind of open and honest communication builds trust, fosters understanding, and strengthens the bond between partners. Remember, a relationship thrives on open dialogue and understanding. Moving on to our second point, respect and appreciation. This is a cornerstone of any successful relationship. It's not just about saying please and thank you, although those are nice. Respect and appreciation go much deeper. Imagine you're on a team, and each player brings a unique skill. If we don't acknowledge and appreciate these skills, the team's morale suffers, and so does the game. Similarly, in a relationship, each person brings unique qualities, efforts, and contributions. By acknowledging these, we show respect and appreciation for our partner. Expressing appreciation can be as simple as a heartfelt compliment, a warm smile, or a small note of thanks. And respect, that's about valuing your partner's perspective, even when it differs from yours. It's about treating them with kindness, always. The key is to recognize and value your partner's efforts. Because in the grand scheme of things, it's these little acts of kindness and appreciation that build a strong, enduring relationship. Our third point is quality time together. Delving into this subject, we realize that it's not just about being in the same space, but actively engaging with each other. Quality time is about creating shared experiences and making memories that foster deeper connections. It's about breaking away from the hustle and bustle of life and focusing on each other. These moments could be as simple as a shared meal, a walk in the park, or a movie night at home. In these moments, we are not just physically present, but emotionally engaged, and that's what makes it quality time. It's about exploring mutual interests, or even trying out new activities together. This not only keeps the relationship lively and exciting, but also helps in understanding and appreciating each other's perspectives. Remember, it's not the quantity, but the quality that matters. It's these precious moments of togetherness that weave the beautiful tapestry of a relationship. Time spent together forms the foundation of a strong bond. Coming to the fourth point, conflict resolution skills. Now, these can be the make or break of any relationship. We all know that disagreements are inevitable, but it's how we handle these disagreements that truly counts. Consider this: when conflict arises, do you jump straight into a defensive mode, or do you take a step back to understand the other person's perspective? It's vital to remember that avoiding blame is key. Instead, focus on expressing how you feel and what you need, not on what your partner is doing wrong. Moreover, healthy conflict resolution involves active listening. This means listening with empathy, without judgment, and with a genuine desire to understand your partner's viewpoint. This approach can turn a potentially damaging argument into a constructive conversation, fostering growth and strengthening your bond. Remember, a disagreement is not a battle to be won, but a problem to be solved. Next up, the fifth point, maintaining individuality. In the grand dance of love, it's easy to lose yourself in the rhythm of togetherness. However, it's crucial to remember that a relationship is a partnership between two unique individuals, each with their own dreams, passions, and personal goals. Supporting each other's personal growth and aspirations not only strengthens the bond but also enriches the individual lives of both partners. while the shared experiences and mutual interests make a relationship vibrant. Maintaining your individual interests and friendships outside the relationship adds a rich layer of diversity to your life tapestry. It brings in fresh perspectives, new ideas, and keeps the sense of self intact. Remember, in a relationship, you're not just a we, but also an I. This balance between togetherness and individuality adds depth and resilience to the relationship. In a relationship, two individuals come together, but they do not cease to exist as individuals. Let's discuss the sixth point: physical and emotional intimacy. Physical and emotional intimacy is more than just a passionate connection. It's about fostering a deep sense of understanding and acceptance. It's about being there for each other, being attuned to your partner's needs and desires, and fulfilling them with love and care. Physical intimacy is often thought of as just a physical act, but it's more about the emotional bond that it creates. Touch, hugs, holding hands, all these are expressions of love that build a stronger bond. Similarly, emotional intimacy is about opening up, letting your guard down, and allowing your partner to see the real you, flaws and all. It's about being vulnerable and still feeling safe. It's about sharing your deepest thoughts, fears, and dreams without fear of judgment. It's the comfort of knowing that you're loved and accepted for who you are. Intimacy is the glue that holds a relationship together. Moving on to the seventh point: trust and loyalty. Trust and loyalty are the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Without them, it's like trying to build a house on quicksand. It's not about blind faith or unwavering obedience, but rather about honesty, consistency, and mutual respect. When you trust your partner, you give them the benefit of the doubt. You believe in their integrity and character not because they're perfect, but because they've shown you time and again that they're committed to the same values as you are. Loyalty, on the other hand, is about sticking together through thick and thin. It's about choosing your partner every day, even when things get tough. Loyalty means standing by your partner's side, not because you have to, but because you want to. It's about being a team, always supporting and uplifting each other. Remember, it takes time to build trust and loyalty, but only a moment to break it. So, tread carefully. Trust and loyalty are the pillars of a strong relationship. Next, we have the eighth point: shared values and goals. A relationship is like a tandem bicycle where both riders need to pedal in sync to move forward smoothly. This synchronization comes from sharing common values and goals. It's crucial to discuss and align on key aspects of life, such as finances, family planning, career aspirations, and lifestyle choices. Why is this so important? Well, imagine you're saving for a comfortable retirement, but your partner is a live-for-today spender. This could lead to tension and disagreements. Similarly, if one of you dreams of a bustling family life while the other prefers a quiet, child-free existence, it's bound to create friction. The beauty of shared values and goals is that they provide a roadmap for your shared journey. They align your actions and decisions, reducing potential conflict. They foster mutual understanding, respect, and collaboration. Shared goals and values pave the way for a harmonious journey together. As we conclude, let's quickly review the remaining vital points. Adaptability and patience are key in any relationship. Life is an ever-changing journey, and it's only natural that both individuals and relationships evolve over time. Embrace these changes, be patient with each other, and remember to give each other the space to grow. Next, we have gratitude and positivity. Too often we focus on what's wrong rather than appreciating what's right. So, make a conscious effort to focus on the positive aspects of your relationship. Express gratitude towards each other regularly, and celebrate the love that you share. Then there's seeking help when needed. There's no shame in needing help. If you face challenges that are difficult to resolve on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help or counseling. It's a sign of strength to acknowledge when you need support. And finally, celebrating each other. Be each other's cheerleaders. Celebrate each other's successes, and equally importantly, be there for each other during tough times. Remember, a relationship is a partnership, and you're in this together. But here's the thing, every relationship is unique. These guidelines we've discussed today are just that, guidelines. They're not rigid rules. They're meant to be adapted to suit your individual circumstances and preferences. The beauty of a relationship lies in its uniqueness, in the bond that two people share that's unlike any other. So take these guidelines, tailor them to your relationship, and most importantly, keep working on your relationship together. A relationship is a beautiful journey, a journey that's filled with love, respect, and understanding. It's about growing together, learning together, and building a life together. And while this journey may not always be easy, it's definitely worth it. So keep these points in mind, apply them in your relationship, and see the magic unfold. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to help you navigate the intricacies of relationships and personal growth. Remember, love, respect, and understanding are the keys to a successful relationship. Subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth.